it course really is a continuous experience, I guess, for what we are doing in our life. Glad that we can have this opportunity to connect ourselves into what we're trying to achieve in our daily lives and also in a spiritual life. So for me, it was a continuous experience, something that I already started before in a way, but it connected vividly. And it was something that I needed from my part. It was something that I needed the theory of yoga and to relearn basically yoga again. I'm sure that every day we relearn yoga in every aspect of it. We're going to relearn posture or just sharing with another person their experience of what they have practiced in yoga. So for me, yeah, definitely it was a very complete course, a very complete seminar that really showed me the principles of this interesting exercise and philosophy. So yeah, it's something that it is now again a more inviting, giving me different paths, different leads to where to continue my growth. In a simple aspect, the posture, even though sometimes some postures might feel incredibly difficult to accomplish. Some others, they don't seem that difficult, but they also have very many powerful gifts or lessons they provide from the teachers. I really it's a great honor to recognize the importance of yoga, to actually also remember what it has to be done in yoga. For both of you teachers, we acknowledge throughout these 9 months how you struggle through your everyday practices. You don't want to starve to death, but you also want to be enjoying what you have chosen to do extra effort and not just learn yoga, but also share the yoga. So that has also put on. Definitely, Deborah and Blanca have accomplished that and shown us that extra effort from their end. So I'm very thankful for both of the teachers that we experienced in this seminar. Thank you.
And would you recommend the yoga teacher training program to other men?
Oh, well, yes, definitely. Definitely, it's a different scenario for me. In my case, this time being the only man in the seminar was another challenge as well. But also that did not stop me for taking this important path. That I think is very right. I do recommend it to anybody. I did. It could be. I mean, definitely men, but also any age. Really, this yoga also share with us that the age is not a limit. It's really your own mind that is really not. You might not want to commit that much sometimes for the time being. So if it is that your way, well then it's fine. But if you can commit a little bit, then it is harder to just be here all these modules. But if you can at least do that, it won't matter. The age shouldn't be an issue, and the gender either. So please do. I do encourage you, anybody to go ahead and try it.
Great. Thank you so much, Miguel.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.